41.
I need no permission. Did I mention? Don't pay him any attention.
Of course, their full number is 31, 41, 59, 26, 35, 34, something, etc. Over on the side there, or 20-33 rather. Looking like they're going to descore a couple of the red pieces. Decided against it though. I think they're going to try and come over and score for the blue instead. As we approach the 30-second mark, I think we might see some hanging here from team 25-28. Remember, there's a 10-point bonus for hanging above the orange bar, 20-point bonus for hanging above the yellow bar. They're up. They're over the orange. With 18 seconds left, are they going to make it above the yellow? They're up. They're up. And by my unofficial eye, I think they're above the yellow line. We're going to have to see what the refs have to say about it, but with 7 seconds left, that might be a 20-point bonus for the blue line.